In today's video, we'll dive into setting default taxes on products and accounts in Odoo. Taxes are a critical part of your accounting process, ensuring compliance with local regulations. By setting up default taxes, you can save time and avoid manual errors during sales and purchases. We'll cover everything step by step, including practical examples to make it easier to understand. Setting default taxes on a product. To get started, let's navigate to the accounting application in Odoo. From there, you can access your products by going to Customers then Products or Vendors then Products. Both of these options will lead you to the same product list. Setting default customer taxes. Under the General Information tab, you'll find the Customer Taxes field. This field determines the taxes applied when this product is sold to customers. For example, if you're based in Europe and need to charge VAT, select VAT 20%. If your region applies multiple taxes like a product sales tax and a food waste tax, you can select both. Now, whenever this product is sold, these taxes will automatically apply. Setting default vendor taxes. Next, go to the Purchase tab. Here, you'll see the Vendor Taxes field. This field is used to set the default tax that applies when you buy this product from your supplier. For example, if your vendor charges you a 5% goods and services tax, GST, select it here. Once you've selected the appropriate taxes, click Save to finalize your changes. Why this matters? Having default taxes set up ensures that your invoices and purchase orders are accurate and compliant with tax regulations. It also saves you from manually entering taxes every time you create a transaction. Setting default taxes on an account. Why set default taxes on accounts? Default taxes on accounts are particularly useful for transactions where no specific product is involved. For example, you're creating an invoice for consulting services that aren't linked to any product. Setting default taxes on the revenue or expense accounts ensures taxes are automatically applied. Accessing the chart of accounts. To configure default taxes on an account, open the Accounting app. Go to Configuration, Accounting, Chart of Accounts. If the default taxes column isn't visible, use the menu at the top right of the table to enable it. From within the Default Taxes field, click the drop-down menu and select the default tax you'd like to apply to this account. Note that you can apply both tax scopes, sales and purchases. Once you've made your selection, click outside the field or press Enter to save. Now, whenever this account is used in a sale order or invoice, the selected taxes will automatically populate in the Taxes column. Conclusion and key takeaways. Setting default taxes in Odoo is a powerful way to streamline your accounting processes. Whether it's for a product or an account, these settings help you save time by automating tax calculations, ensure compliance with local tax regulations, reduce manual errors, and simplify reporting. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.